Hello, engineers. Let's try to solve this sample problem taken from the past REE board examination. So yung problem natin is meron daw tayong a delta 3-piece 4-wire secondary 240 to 120 volts would have a high leg to neutral voltage of. So sabi sa problem is meron daw tayong delta 3-piece pero instead na tatlong linya lang siya, apat na linya yung secondary natin. So, ibig sabihin nito, meron tayong tatlong live, which is line 1, 2, and 3, or in other words, line A, B, and C. And then yung pang-apat nating line is what we call the neutral line. So, kung meron daw tayong apat na secondary lines, tapos delta 3 phase, ano daw yung magiging high leg to neutral voltage natin? Okay? Let's solve this problem using conventional solution. So, para mas maintindihan natin yung problem, kailangan nating magkaroon ng isang illustration. So ito yung ating delta connected 4-wire secondary. So ito yung mga live wire natin, line E. So ito yung line E. We also have line B. We also have line C, ito yon. And then yung pang-apat is the neutral line. So ito yung ating neutral line. So sabi sa problem, meron daw tayong 240 voltage. So itong 240 is our line-to-line voltage. So first line-to-line natin is BEB. So from line A to line B, which is equal to 240. Pangalawa is line B to C. So meron din tayong voltage na 240. And then last is line A to C, which is also equal to 240. And then meron daw tayong 120 volts. So itong 120 volts is our line to neutral. So first line to neutral natin is line B to neutral, which is equal to 120 volts. So yung 120 volts is kalahati ng line B to C, which is 240. So 240 divided by 2, that is equal to 120. The next is line C to neutral. So ito yon, which is also equal to 120. So kalahati pa rin ng line B to C. So therefore, kung i-add natin yung B to neutral plus C to neutral, that is 120 plus 120, that would result to 240 volts. So therefore, yung natitira nating line to neutral na E to neutral, ito yung ating high leg voltage. So therefore, ito yung ating isosolve. So para ma-solve natin yung high leg voltage, kailangan natin kunin yung line A to B. So yung line A to B natin, ito na siya. From A to B. And then next is the line B to neutral. So ito yung portion na to. So kunin din natin yan. And then last is yung ating high leg, which is E to neutral. So ito yung ating high leg voltage from E to neutral. So makikita nyo, nagkaroon tayo ng isang right triangle. So therefore, yung line E to B natin is 240 volts. B to neutral natin is 120. And then yung A to neutral natin is yung ating high leg voltage. Since this is a right triangle, so para ma-solve natin yung high leg voltage, is kailangan natin gumamit ng Pythagorean theorem. So using the Pythagorean theorem, ang makukuha nating equation dito is high leg voltage squared plus B to neutral squared, which is equal doon sa ating hypotenuse na A to B, which is equal to BEB squared. So therefore, high leg voltage natin is equal to square root of BEB squared minus B to neutral squared. So substitute lang natin. High leg voltage is equal to square root of yung line B, voltage from line A to B natin is equal to 240. So we have 240 squared minus yung voltage from B to neutral natin is 120. So that is minus 120 squared. So using your calculator, So, makukuha nating sagot dito is 240 squared minus 120 squared. That is equal to 207.84. So, kung i-round out natin, this is approximately equal to 208 volts. So, therefore, yung high leg voltage natin is equal to 208 volts. So, dito na magtatapos yung ating video. I hope marami kayong natutunan and maraming salamat sa panonood. See you next time.